Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect guacamole. Start by selecting 3 perfectly ripe Hass avocados. They should yield slightly to gentle pressure. Next, finely dice 1/4 cup of red onion and chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. For a little kick, mince 1 small jalapeno, making sure to remove the seeds. Finally, have the juice of 1/2 a lime, a pinch of sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper ready. These fresh ingredients are the foundation for truly amazing guacamole. Once your avocados are prepped, scoop their vibrant green flesh into a bowl. Now, the key is to mash them gently with a fork or potato masher. You want a chunky texture, not a smooth paste, so don't overdo it. Next, incorporate your finely diced red onion, fresh cilantro, and minced jalapeno. Carefully fold everything together, ensuring all the flavors are evenly distributed without crushing the avocado too much. Now for the crucial step of balancing flavors. Squeeze in the fresh juice from 1/2 a lime. This not only brightens the taste, but also helps keep your guacamole from turning brown. Add a generous pinch of sea salt to truly bring out all the delicious notes. A little freshly ground black pepper can also elevate the profile. Taste and adjust the seasonings, perhaps adding a tiny dash of cumin for an earthy depth, if you like. Your perfect guacamole is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or as a vibrant side dish. For presentation, a sprinkle of extra cilantro or a lime wedge works wonderfully. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to minimize air exposure, or add a thin layer of water or lime juice on top. Enjoy within 1 or 2 days for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.